OpenAI has come up with two crazy updates. One is they are rolling out a new model called O3 Pro, and another one is they have dropped the price of O3 model by 80%. So first let's see about O3 Pro capabilities, and later we will be also testing it with some prompts. And by the way, this is the first video that I'm putting in this channel, so I'll be putting a lot of AI contents. So it will be really grateful if you could like, subscribe and support me now. O3 Pro also has some crazy metrics when compared to O1 Pro as well as O3 Medium in math, science as well as coding benchmarks. So first, in the math competition, as you can see, O3 Pro has 93% accuracy, O1 Pro 86% and O3 Medium 90%. When it comes to science, again O3 Pro is the topper, 84%, 81% for O3 Medium and 79% for O1 Pro. And the crazy difference is when it comes to the coding competition. In code forces, the ELO of O3 Pro is around 2748, and for O3 Medium not so far, 2517, but for O1 Pro it's just 1700. So when it comes to coding, O3 Pro is going to be an absolute beast. And OpenAI also has a 4/4 reliability evaluation. So here a model is considered successful only if it correctly answers a question in all 4 attempts, not just one. So this is the criteria for measuring the accuracy of this model. And here also O3 Pro does an amazing job. Same results, better than O3 Medium and O3 Pro in math as well as in science as well as in coding competition. And this model in ChatGPT will obviously have access to the web search, analyze files, reasoning, visual input with images, and personalized responses with memory and more. And this model is currently available in the model picker in ChatGPT for Pro as well as the team users alone starting today, replacing the existing OpenAI's O1 Pro model, and the enterprise as well as the edu users will get access in a week. So they haven't given any information about the plus users when they are going to get access to this model. So talking about O3 Pro, we shouldn't forget about the price reduction in O3 model. As you can see, O3 model in April 2025 was $40 and $10 for a million tokens in output and input. Now it's just $8 and $2 in June 2025. So in a couple of months they have like slashed the price 80%. And they also have another comparison, which is O3 Pro versus O1 Pro. So the pricing of O1 Pro is insane, like $600 for output and $150 for input for a million tokens, whereas O3 Pro just $80 and $20, which comes to an reduction of 87%. So in case if you don't have a Pro ChatGPT account, we can even still try this model in case if you have some credits in OpenAI's API. So if you have that, you can just come to the playground, and here we are having the option to choose and play with any ChatGPT's model. So as you can see, we are having the O3 Pro model available over here, and I'm just going to be testing it with some prompts. So this is going to be the first prompt that I'm going with. Quite a challenging one, and let's see if O3 Pro can succeed in it. Basically, I'm asking it to give HTML, JavaScript and CSS code for a ball that is going to be spinning inside a rectangle, and the ball should be affected by gravity and friction, and it should bounce off the rotating walls realistically. So let's see what it gives us. So this is the output that I am getting, and I would literally give this a 10 on 10. The rectangle is perfectly spinning and the ball is moving with the help of the gravity. It's not coming outside of the rectangle, and that's really exceptional work from O3 Pro model. So now let's move on to the next prompt. Give me a single file Python code to create a simulation of rotation of planets around the sun. Let's see what it gives for this now, and it has done an amazing job. We have the sun in the center and we also have the other planets. I guess it has quite aligned with the rotation. As you can see, this particular first planet is moving, like I guess it's Mercury, it's moving quite fast, and followed by the rest planets are not moving in the exact same pace. So it has also got into the scientific notation, basically determining how fast each planet moves, and it has tried its best to replicate it. And this is the next prompt that I'm going. Create me a Super Mario game in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and give me the code in a single file. So this is the output that we are getting for Super Mario. So I'm not sure what obstacles we have here. It's just moving and jumping, and it can even like collect the coin, so that's pretty good. And this is just came from like a 2 lines of prompt, so we can never complain. And it's even having a poll flag, and it just shows us you win, so that's not bad. And next I'm going with another prompt to code a bird which is using HTML, CSS and JavaScript in a single file. And this is the output that we are getting from that prompt, and that looks super good, to be honest. Like, I really like the gradient that it has put up for the sky, and the bird movement is also nice. I mean, this is just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can't expect it to be like 100% perfect, but that really does the job. Imagine you're having this as the backdrop of your website. That would be pretty amazing. And now finally let's go with a LeetCode problem. Alright, so I'm just going with this hard LeetCode problem, and let's see if it can solve it. And it has literally got this particular problem spot on. Like, look at it, 290 out of 290 test cases passed, and it beats 99.47% in runtime, and memory also is good, it beats 50%. And this problem, as you can see, it's like really hard problem, because as you can see the acceptance rate is 42%, which makes it a extremely hard problem. But O3 Pro has literally solved it in the first attempt itself. So it's a really good programming model and does an amazing job. So that's a video, guys. I hope you would have found it useful. Do let me know if you are able to test this, and subscribe me. It's a new channel, going to upload a lot of AI content in it. Thanks for watching.